Hello, are you looking for a way to prepare a herbal and feed addictive for your broiler as a newcomer? As a newcomer or a no-time one, but you are new into organic farming and you've tried so many things, but it didn't work for you, or you've not tried anything at all. Don't worry. In this video, I will show you the best way to prepare and feed addictive for your broiler to get them to 3 kg in 6 weeks. I'm Chijin from 5 Years Academy. In preparing and feed addictive for your broilers, number one thing you need to do is you need to pray and ask God to direct you for the one that will work perfectly for your broilers. Because at times, the treatment that you give your broilers when they are sick, like when coccidiosis attack your farm for the first time, you might try the same treatment the next time and it won't work. At times, it has happened to me, like when I wanted to use a synthetic drug to treat a coccidiosis, which I've been using, but recently I tried it didn't work. What I used in the treatment was one of these additives that I'm about to share with you, and it works very well. Okay, let's go straight away. In preparing Moringa, which serves as a multivitamin and calcium for your broiler chicks, all you need to do is get the Moringa, you wash them very well, get a tray. Also remember to wash the tray and place them at a spot that you know that the sun will not affect it, because what you are doing is air drying, not sun drying. Then after like 5 to 7 days, when it have dried very well, you grind it and add to their feed. For 25 kg, all you need to do is use a takeaway spoon, the normal takeaway spoon that we use here in Nigeria, and add 10 of it and add to normal 25 in kg. That is all. But if you want to add it to their drinking water, all you need to do is get the moringa leaf, wash it, put it in a bowl, add little water. You use your hand to scrub it and bring out the contents in it. Then after you've done that, use your sieve to sieve out the chaff and give your broilers the juice to drink. It's very good. Then another thing is if you want to prepare antibiotics, most especially anticoccidia, this is what you need to do. Get bitter leaf, get scent leaf, get purple leaf, get dogoyalo, that's a neem leaf. Then bring a little amount of water. Because you need to make it concentrate. After washing the leaves, add that little amount of water. Use your hand to scrub it to bring out the contents like you did for the moringa. Then after you've done that, because it is always very bitter, you need to starve your broilers of water, as in they need to be thirsty in order to drink it. And so after you've done that, you give it to them. It works very well. Then another thing is you can get what's it called, aloe vera. Like you see me pointing, I have one here, I have one in my farm. You bring it, you open it and bring out the gel, add to their drinking water and give to them. It helps in their digestive tract, and it's also helping with boosting their immune system. Then another thing that I would like to teach you on how to prepare is drug for cough, that's the CLD. What you need to do is get your pepper, get ginger, get garlic, add them together, grind them and add to their drinking water. But it needs to be very pepperish. I don't know if my English is correct. It works very well for CLD. Then for prevention of Newcastle, all you need to do is get Christmas melon, cut them open and place in some areas in your in your farm and inside the pen, inside and outside the pens. Then peel, get another Christmas melon, then peel off the back. And after peeling off the back, you get your bowl, clean bowl, put it inside and add little amount of water, leave it to ferment for like in 5 to 7 days. After fermenting, then you sieve off the shells and start adding it in their drinking water. It's a very good way to prevent Newcastle and other viral diseases. I believe with this now, you've known how to prepare a feed addictive, even if you are a newcomer into this poultry business, or you've been in the game for a long time. If you want to know more things about broiler feeding, watch this playlist.